Hey, I'm Steve from RC Dads. Today I'm going to show you how to build the Jitterbug, which is a hybrid of the hydrofoam. And what I've done, I've spent a lot of time to try and rebuild the actual frame of this is from the hydrofoam, but I've spent a lot of time to try and rebuild this and make it flyable. And when I say flyable, I'm an intermediate flyer, and this you can go on the ground, the grass, hopefully in the water. I haven't tried that yet because it's been winter, so we're gonna get to that point. But I can only imagine I shouldn't have a problem with it. Now this one here, I've actually crashed probably 20 times. I've killed this thing, but it still flies, and flies really well. I do have a balance point, which is just above the wing. So right about there is where your balance point is, where you're going to be making your seam straight across. Now in this one I did put a rail across because I knew I was going to be crashing it a whole lot. I haven't had any problem without the rail, so we'll go ahead and show you how to build that. So let's go ahead and get you guys started and put this thing together. To get my balance right, I've pulled my battery all the way up on my top rail and zip tied it on. I'm also on this one here, which works really well. It's a 2208, 1400 kV, and I've got an 8 by 4.5 blade on this. And I'll tell you what, this is a pretty good setup. My other one I have has a 2212, 1400 kV, and that thing takes off like a rocket. When you get up in the air, it's gone. Also, I've used a 3/4 inch foam board that you can get at Walmart or Home Depot. I think I bought this at Home Depot. And then you just have to make 2 of these instead of on the plans I show, you know, making 4 pieces, putting 2 together. It's a little thicker, and it actually probably works better if you're actually going to put it in water. Got 3 servos in the back. If you take a look at that, I've got one for the rudder that's standing up. Then I've got 2 of them laying down flat for the elevons. So that's your up and down. And when you're on the ground, you're only going to use the rudder. You're not going to use the rudder in the air, because I've got this set so strong, you know, for going left and right on the ground, that if you tried it in the air, it would actually, you know, you'd probably crash. So, 30 amp ESC works great. Everything else is tucked up underneath. I don't have any problem as far as the wind flow and everything. It still works. So great. There we have it. That's how you build the Jitterbug. I hope everything works out, and have a good time flying this thing. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve from RC Dads.